Here with Brian, and you have a newer and extremely successful 3-bay wash, and you switched to Synergy Chemicals, and how has your experience been with them so far?
Synergy's been on top of all my needs from day one. Jeff and Kevin both came out to the site, evaluated what I was, what my needs were, what I was looking for as an operator, and they addressed those immediately. The chemicals have been working incredibly well, getting a really great clean car with it. Anytime I have questions or want to tweak something, they're there within a day or two with the new chemical or trying something different that I'm trying to do. So
That's
they're very,
great.
very responsive. I couldn't say enough about them.
And to be clear, you're running 3 touchless bays, so there's not much room for error because there's nothing cleaning the car.
Right,
except for the
only Synergy Chemicals. Synergy
right.
Chemicals and high pressure water. Since nothing's touching the car, the plain water alone is not going to do it.
Nope.
So with their polymer products, they're be able to break down those films and dirt on the car, and our customers are really happy with the product, and just our numbers that are coming through the wash, which are been really good so far, are proving that the customers are really embracing the wash and the product that those chemicals are helping me put out as an operator. And everything I've tried from them so far has been, as advertised. Even their wall cleaner and stuff like that, we're using, 100% Synergy Chemicals in the tunnel. So
Great.
Everything from their ceramics to, their pre-soaks to wheel cleaners to everything, it's all Synergy, and I got no reason to look anywhere else right now.